Hello guys, hope all of you are doing great. Today we're gonna learn how to do mesh analysis or how to analyze mesh in MDF file of mic 21FM. This is a mesh file or MDF file. Sorry, this is not a mesh file, this is MDF file, and by MDF file we will create actually mesh file. So this mesh file, we see a lot of meshes are there. This is called flexible mesh. Flexible mesh is called because we have a choice to provide triangular mesh or quadrangular mesh in combination. So there is flexibility to incorporate mesh like this. We can at the same time we can give triangular mesh and quadrangular mesh. So see, we have already generated mesh. See, here is triangular mesh, and in the narrower channel we provided quadrangular mesh. So for mesh analysis, click on mesh editing, then it will be black and white. There is actually two modes. See, clearly click on mesh. There is mesh editing and arc editing. If you click on mesh editing, it will be black and white, and then analyze mesh will be activate, and then click on analyze mesh. You can see the time step of every cell here. If you just give first 50 cell, then generate order list, it will produce first 50 minimum time step. See, there is a 1 to 18, total 18 number cells are 6 second time step, and then 19 to 50 there are 7 time step. So actually we do not require to edit any kind of cell. If you zoom to this cell, we can see it is the blinking cell in red color. This is actually so for 18 cells the time step will be 6.92, and then 32 cells there will be time step while calculating the water level for a particular time step. Then it will be the delta will be taken as a 7 second. So it is a delta is a variable, it's not fixed. We can fix the time step, or you can check by different ways. There are 4 ways actually to check. Usually we do smallest time step based on water level. Normally we give water level 0 and then check the consistency of time step. Suppose if a time step is something 6, and then other time steps starts with let's say 20 seconds, then there is a huge gap. So you can correct only one time step, one cell. Suppose there is no actually in this MDF file there is no such kind of issue though. So let's say in number one cell, this cell, the time step is 6, and from serial number 2, 3, 4 the time steps let's say 15. So there is a gap. There is a gap, so we can edit cell number 1. Then cell number 1 you have to edit such a way, we have to move this node such a way that time step is equal to order number 2. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I wanted to say. So that's how we can actually analyze mesh before creating a mesh file from an MDF file. Thank you, thanks for watching, and please share with your friends if you find it useful.